What's up, family? Welcome back to another video. My name is Derica for anybody who's new here, and today let's get into this Spidey cake topper. We are using Cricut Design Space for this project. Let's start off with finding our images in Google. Here I am erasing any spaces that I don't need, and we're going to save it to our canvas. Let's go back to Google and download any remaining images that we may need. Sometimes you may have to edit some images. Here I'm just removing the string. I don't need it. Let's add some text. I do get all of my fonts from dafont.com. A quick tip, I do duplicate the name and I try to find as many fonts that I can. That way I can see everything in one space before I choose which one I really like. As you see, the Batman font won over the Spider-Man font, so just go through your fonts. The key to cake toppers is layers, layers, and layers. So here you will see I'm adding about 3 layers to each image, or in Cricut they're called offset. We are done designing our cake topper, so let's get to the fun part and assemble it. I use the Koala Inkjet glossy photo paper here. You've heard me talk about this in plenty of videos. I love this paper. Another key to cake toppers is using different cardstocks. Here I have some glitter cardstock and foil cardstock, as well as your regular basic cardstock. It just adds dimension. You will need foam adhesive dots for the 3D effect, Mod Podge, and hot glue. I'll have everything listed and linked in the description. I use the hot glue whenever I am gluing something onto glitter cardstock because sometimes the Mod Podge doesn't stick.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch it, tell them they can tune in. Show them how I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city.
Now that we have the base complete, we're going to give the 3D look by adding the foam dots to the remaining pieces.
Jump out of a window if you call me. Yeah. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Yeah. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Yeah. I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out.
We have now completed our Spidey cake topper. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, as well as considering subscribing to the channel. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.